John Daniel Shawshin Lord of the Bricks, August and you. To Bimig, Tashakti Sugar, Clan New, or my tablet. And Clay Shaw called Pudding Monsters. August, better go hot. Wait, River, Tashay Onadini, Ren, cut the rope, August Tashen. Sign down. But yeah, Shin eat the Kalil, but yeah, let me go out here. Hello everybody, this is Ashin Lord of the Bricks, and today we are gonna be playing wow, I got nothing. Okay, but today we're gonna be playing Pudding Monsters, I believe. Yeah, Pudding Monsters. You may have heard about this game before. It's from the creators Cut the Rope and oh wait. Oh, so we're pudding and we can't get eaten. Pretty cool. So this is a puzzle strategy. I like puzzles. I'm pretty good at them. So yeah. Let's just wait for this to load. It takes a long time for this to load for some reason. What is that supposed to be? Pudding? Yeah, pudding. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Oh my god, there's one Mr. Pudding. Oh no. Odds. Turn and get away. Get away. Turn and go away. Okay, let's play. Round the corner. Oh, this is kind of like you know, the little rock puzzles in Skylanders. It's kind of like that. Ooh, noise to pay the price. Oh God. Okay, that was not such a good idea. We got it! Yeah. It's like a little rock puzzle in Skylanders. I will be getting an Elgato screen recorder though. Pretty cool. Let's see here. What are we supposed to do? More gorgeous smell like poo. Oh God, I died. Okay, let's see here. So I think we're supposed to become like this giant guy. Yay! We're massive. Oh God. Alright, let's do that again because I don't know how to get to little. What the? Right, okay. Oh, I see how we're supposed to get him. Oh, jeez, I think I screwed this up. Did I? Or did I not? Yeah, I screwed it up. Let's try this again. One more time. Jeez. Oh no. Okay. No, that's the same I did last time. Okay, you know what? Let's just. Oh, so you can top them and see. Okay. It's a kill. Okay, so you can just do that. You got no. Okay, let's try this one, and then that'll be it for today. How do we do this? Oh no. No, that's okay. That is all right. Time to wake up. this was simple. Yay! What's it? Oh, another ad. Yeah, lots of ads. Don't know why. Don't even know what that was. Oh, jeez. Oh, did I screw this up? I'm not sure. No, I got this. Oh, good. Oh, good. Pieces of puzzle. Oh. Oh, jeez. Oh! Oh, I only got 2 stars from that, but that's alright. Oh, I knew how to get 3 stars. Okay. Let's see this one. They're pretty simple, so yeah. Oh, did I mess this up or not? Nope. Yay! We got all of them. Let's do one more because just for that crack. You know that crack? Right. You say boom shakalaka. Somebody call a doctor. Boom! No, let's just do one more. Seriously though. Oh, is that the end of World 1 maybe? Take me to church, I worship like a dog when I'm trying to be like pretty monsters. Okay. Oh, so yeah, we did all of them. Rage Escape, Room Invaders. Oh, so we have to pay to get into these. That's okay, but that's it for today, guys. Yeah, I will see you guys later. May the bricks be with you. Turn and say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Shalom.